In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hole using the loop cut and fill method in Blender. This is a fundamental but essential skill for any true modeling project, so let's break it down step by step. To start, we'll need to be in edit mode. Begin by selecting your object with a right click and then press the tab key to toggle into edit mode. This mode allows you to manipulate the geometry of your model, providing direct access to vertices, edges, and faces. Being comfortable in edit mode is crucial since it's the primary workspace for modifying your 3D model. Next, we're going to add some loop cuts. This is a critical step as it defines the boundaries of the hole in your model. To do this, you'll use the loop cut tool, which you can activate by pressing Ctrl and R at the same time. Move your mouse over the area where you want to make the cut, and you'll see a purple line indicating where the cut will be placed. Confirm the cut's position by clicking the left mouse button and then right-click to set it in place without altering its position. Once the loop cuts are in place, it's time to create the hole by deleting certain faces. Select the faces inside the loop cuts you just made. This selection defines the area that will eventually be removed. Once selected, simply press the delete key and choose faces from the menu that appears. This operation will remove the selected faces, leaving an empty space in your model. Now to close up the model neatly and form a clean edge, we need to use the Bridge Edge Loops command. Begin by selecting the edge loops that now border the hole on both sides. You can do this by holding Alt and right-clicking on an edge, which will select the entire loop. With these loops selected on both sides of the gap, access the Bridge Edge Loops command. This is a powerful feature that allows Blender to intelligently connect the edge loops, filling the hole smoothly. It's a practical way of maintaining clean topology and ensuring that your model remains structurally sound. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to create a hole in your model using the loop cut and fill technique. Remember, mastering these kinds of skills is key to becoming proficient in 3D modeling. Practice using these tools as they form the foundation for more advanced techniques you will encounter down the road. Thanks for watching, and make sure to experiment and explore to fully integrate this into your modeling toolkit.